I have always had an emotional temperament. No, I'm not talking about myself. Hi, my name is Shwa, and I'm the host and founder of a podcast called Light Up with Shwa. It's a weekly podcast on conscious living and parenting, and I am also the founder and owner of an academy called LUWS Academy LLC, Light Up with Shwa Academy. It is registered in the US, and I do offer some training and workshops, which I have actively started this year in Pakistan, and I'm planning to, conduct some in the US as well. So this will be in addition to my podcast that I do on a weekly basis. I am also offering some self-healing and transformational therapies through my academy. Okay, so here we go. I am sharing some testimonials with you. I will be reading those out. Some are videos and audios that I will be sharing on my YouTube channel and my website, and some are sent to me in writing, so I decided to read them out to you. Here we have Sarah. She is an engineer and also cake artist. So hopefully she will allow me to share her website and her Instagram page, and you can see her cake artistry on it. She has always had an emotional temperament. That's what she is expressing. And since 2017, she has been surrounded by intense emotions. She says that since 4 years, her emotional state was worsening. She was having trouble getting over unrequited feelings for a certain individual. It should have been easy considering the fact that I had followed the checklist for getting over people. I had moved offices. I had cut off any contact, even changed the country, but somehow the feelings would not go away. I had started getting easily triggered by songs, memories, pictures, movies to an extent that it was becoming hard to function on a daily basis because of my emotional breakdowns. I had tried prayers, I had tried meditation on my own, a bit of cognitive behavioral therapy. Nothing had worked. I was at my wits' end. It was luck when I brought my friend for Reiki therapy to Shwaji, and I decided to give it a try as well. After my first session, I felt slightly peaceful. During my Reiki therapy, I saw colors, green, purple, and black. My second session was not as eventful, and to be honest, I didn't start feeling better magically. By my third session, I could feel a noticeable change in my emotional patterns. My vicious cycle of feelings of grief, shame, and acceptance had stopped. Of course, I thought it was just one of my patterns, and that soon I would fall in the same emotions. But it had actually stopped. I didn't stop loving the individual I had feelings for, but my emotions stopped overwhelming me. I still listen to the same songs, but I do not go into a hopeless and broken state. I can easily enjoy the same memories, the same songs and movies that used to really make me miserable just a few months ago. See, she says that I'm calmer, I don't carry the anger and frustration beyond the moment I feel it. I am able to calm down and manage it without letting it affect my work or the other activities in my life. Thank you, Sarah, for this very authentic and genuine feedback of your Reiki sessions with me. I'm hoping she will take some more sessions, and I believe that I would love to share with her some tips and tools that you can work with on yourself. And I am sure and I believe from my own experience that she will be over her issues that she is having and will have more emotional control over herself and have a better quality of life. Thank you for watching and listening, and stay tuned for more.